Everyone, if you're studying finance, you could be asked to calculate what is known as the compound annual growth rate. What exactly is the compound annual growth rate? Let's look at this example. We have revenue for the years 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Now, in this example, the revenue for 2020 was $350,000, and it grows year on year to attain 530,000 in the year 2023. So if we want to calculate the compound annual growth rate, well, the formula is CAGR, which is short for compound annual growth rate, is equal to, well, V final is the final value. So in our example, the final value is 530,000, and V beginning is the value as of 2020. So we start off with $350,000 to the power of 1 over t. Now, this is where you need to be a little bit careful. Although we have 4 years of data here, when we are calculating growth, it's between 2 years, isn't it? So t here would be, well, from 20 to 21, that's 1 year. From 2021 to 2022, that's 2 years. And from 2022 to 2023, that's 3 years. And then minus 1. So it goes final value, 530,000, divided by the beginning value, 350,000, to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1, which gives us a compound annual growth rate of 14.8%. Now, is there a quicker way of calculating the compound annual growth rate? The answer is yes, if you use Excel. So, can we use Excel to calculate the compound annual growth rate? I've used the same revenue figures from earlier, 2020 to 2023, and we start off with 350,000 and we end with 530,000. Now, the quick way to do this in Excel is you type the equal sign, then RRI, you open bracket, and you will see Excel prompts you for the, so NPAR is the number of years, that's 3, comma, PV is the value at the start, 350,000, and FV, or future value, is the value at the end, 530,000. Let's close brackets, and there you go. We have the compound annual growth rate of 14.8%. So that's the easiest way to do it in Excel.